Here are one of my rebuilt 6.5 turbo diesels. It's all new pistons, new bearings, bored out 20 thousandths on the on the cylinders. Just got it in. It's mostly broken in. Got something like 93 miles on the break-in, 294,000 before the previous engine had broken a valve spring and ate a valve. But here it is, starting up. Starts great. Show you the exhaust. Let's go take a peek under the hood. Just a tad bit of blow-by still coming out there. I don't know if you can see it. Just kind of wafting up and coming out. Nothing like when I first started it, so it's the rings are sealing up pretty good. A little bit more to go and she'll be broken in, at least initially. There it is. Now let's walk around the back.